your 10 boating tips in under 45 seconds. Number 1, check your batteries. Number 2, check your air pressure on your trailer. Number 3, make sure you got fresh, good gas in. Number 4, check your gear oil. Make sure it's in good condition, and your engine oil. Make sure it's where it needs to be. Number 5, check all your pumps, especially your bilge. Number 6, make sure your nav lights are working on the boat. Number 7, make sure you got good life jackets. Number 8, check your trailer lights, please. Number 9, make sure that trailer is attached to the truck. Number 10, make sure your boat plug is in. Done. No, I'm not ready. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Here's your boating tips. Damn it. I almost said tips. 2, 1. Here's your 10 boating tips in under 45 seconds. Check your batteries, check your air tire pressure. Make sure you got fresh gas inside there at number 3. Damn it, you want me to number them. Number 5, make sure all your pumps are working except, yeah, damn it. Number 8, check your trailer lights, make sure they're working. Number 9, make sure that all your trailer lights, and damn it, we had trailer. Number 8, check your trailer lights on your trailer. Number 9, there goes a goddamn motorcycle. I'm ready. Ready? Here's your 10 boating tips in under 45 seconds.